In this video, we'll show you how to double crochet. We're using Serdar Stories. You'll use the yarn and hook in your pattern. To do the double crochet stitch, we want to come into our stitch, under both loops, with our hand set up, come in, yarn over hook and pull through to the front of your work. So you've got 2 loops on your hook. Then we're going to yarn over, we're going to rotate our hook down and pull through both loops at once, creating the double crochet stitch. So I'm going to do that again. So you go through your stitch, under both loops, under the V, so through the whole stitch. Take your yarn from the back, yarn over, pull through to the front where you've got 2 loops on your hook. Wrap round, yarn over, twist that hook down slightly so you're trapping that yarn so it's easy to pull through, and pull through both loops. And you want to repeat that to do your double crochet stitch. So pull through, yarn over, twist down and pull through. And that's the double crochet stitch. Practice until you're confident and head to serdar.com for more stitches, beginner kits, patterns and yarn.